Last example is example 7, vector operation. So let u equal negative 3i plus 8j and v equals 2i minus j. We're going to find 2u minus 3v. Now, because the homework is going to ask for it, we also want to find the component form and sketch the resultant vector. So we've done that before, and it is going to ask it again in the homework, so I want to make sure you know how to do that. So we're going to find 2u minus 3v. So we've actually done this before. So we can do 2 times u, which is negative 3i plus 8j, and then minus 3v, which is minus 3 times our v of 2i minus j. Now I don't have to rewrite it. I can write it in this form. So I just distribute. This is negative 6i plus 16j, and this becomes minus 6i plus 3j, and I'm going to leave that there because we'll need it a little bit later to sketch our graphs. So now this becomes negative 12i plus 19j. Now the homework is going to ask for the component form, so all you do is write negative 12, comma 19. Okay, it might ask for both. I can't remember if it asks for both, but that's how you do it. Now let's graph this. So I need to scale it. So I'm going to graph the 2u first. So 2u is negative 6i plus 16j. So this means I go negative 6i, so from the origin, left 6, and then up 16. So that is 2u. Then I do the negative 3v, or plus negative 3v. So from this point, I go left 6, 2, 4, 6, and up 3, which is 1.5, which is right here. And so this is my negative 3v. Now my resultant vector connects from the origin to this point. So this is 2u plus a negative 3v. And notice where this point hits. That is at negative 12, and that is at 19, which is what we got here. So try this example. Let u equal I minus 2j and v equals negative 3i plus 2j, and find 5u minus 2v. Also find the component form and sketch the resultant vector. All right, if you tried this out, you should have gotten 11i minus 14j. And in component form, it's this with the brackets 11 minus 14. Then if you draw it, you start with the 5u. So I went right 5, down 10, because you do the 5u. And then you go 6i minus 4j. So from the terminal point of the first vector, you go right 6, down 4. And then the resultant vector is here. And so that is 5u plus negative 2v. And notice it hits at 11, negative 14, which is what we got here. Now, one other thing to note is that in example 7, you could perform the operations in component form by writing u equals negative 3i plus 8j as negative 3, 8. And v is 2i minus j is 2, negative 1. And so what you would do is you would write 2u minus 3v. That's going to be 2 times negative 3, 8, minus 3 times 2, negative 1. And then this is negative 6, 16, minus 6 and minus 3. And then we always distribute that. So negative 6, 16 plus a negative 6 plus 3. And then we combine it. So negative 6 minus 6. And then 16 plus 3. So we get the negative 12 and positive 19. So this is just another way that it could be done. And so just kind of showing that to you.